National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Bartholomew County, Decatur County, southeastern Shelby County until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 11 miles northeast of Columbus and moving east at 45 miles per hour. This tornadic storm will be near Milford and Letts around 8:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Adams around 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Greensburg, Sandusky, and Milhausen around 8:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, New Point around 8:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Lake Santee around 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 128 and 144. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.